Welcome back to Bonner's Crafts. Today we're making this gorgeous tube necklace. And the best part is you can use this exact technique to get creative with bracelets and earrings too. For my sample, I'm working with a medium yarn and a 5mm hook. Let's get started. Start with a magic ring. Make one chain. And make 9 single crochets in the ring. Pull it tight to close. And from here it's super simple. Just slip a stitch into the back loop of every stitch. Working in a continuous spiral until you reach your desired length. To finish the necklace, we'll add simple tie cords at both ends so you can fasten it behind your neck. First, slip a stitch the end of the tube shot. If you're loving how easy this is so far, don't forget to hit that like button. It helps out the channel so much. One chain, turn your work and make a slip stitch right into the center stitch. And then chain as long as you want your cord to be. Insert hook. Pull up a loop. And chain until the cord matches the length of the first side. And that's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and hit subscribe. Have a great day!